You can watch birds from anywhere and it's free. Why not take a break, be patient and listen. Shh. If you have some, bring binoculars. Bring a notebook if you'd like to record what you see. Find a comfortable observing spot. Your favorite park bench. Your kitchen or your office window. A small woodland. You can see a kingfisher at the local stream or river. A playground at a quiet time of the day. A wagtail at a schoolyard. Listen and look down. You can see ducks, swans and waterhens. Or a rook. Or an oyster catcher. Even a curlew. Listen and look up. You can see lots of grey tits. Even a herring gull. A group of crows is called a murder of crows. Look out for bird boxes in the park and you might see great tits. Here's a male blackbird. Their homes are often in trees, bushes. Respect them. Many birds feed on insects they find in dead leaves in parks. Did you know that blackbirds listen for the worms? They can hear them underground. You can put a feeder in your garden or on your balcony or at your office window and see some grey tits and blue tits. A sparrow and a coal tit. Or even greenfinches. Goldfinches. The robin is one of our favourite birds, especially as we approach Christmas. We all know that he keeps an eye on us for Santa, but why is his chest red? A Christmas tale says that the robin got his red breast after burning himself on a fire he fanned to keep the baby Jesus warm. Robins are one of the few birds that keep on singing throughout the winter. They aren't shy. You'll surely meet them in the local park. Or even in the garden centre. Just remember to be careful not to disturb birds and nests. Look from a distance. Why not take part in the Irish Garden Bird Survey? It's free and it's fun. If you don't have a garden, you can still submit your sightings to www.biodiversityireland.ie.